So very good morning dear ones. Yesterday in the second class, I explained how we use the present tense, how we interact one another in the simple present tense yesterday. And I give a structure also, practice and write conversations from those structure. Here I am going to explain now past tense, the past actions. Past actions means which were done in the morning, yesterday, day before yesterday, last month, last week, 10 years back. So these are all the past actions. In past actions, we use the action word V2. V2 means go, went, gone. Went is V2. Do, did, done. Did is V2. Drink, drank, drunk. Drank V2 like. We use V2. As usual, there are no changing in the subjects. I will use the she. I will use the he, she, it. In the present tense, we use action word I will, you, they, V1. Direct V1. He, she, it. We use V1. Add with SRES. SRES. He drinks. She drinks. It drinks. I drink. We drink. You drink. They drink. But here in the past tense, we use all the subjects. We use all the subject. The positive V2 plus V2. V2. I drank milk. I ate idli. I watched a movie last night. They played games. He drank coffee yesterday. She sang a song in the morning. It ate slime. We use the V2 for all. In negative, didn't plus V1. I didn't go to movie yesterday. I didn't. Didn't means did not. Did not. They did play yesterday kabaddi. She did sing a song in the morning. Like didn't, did not, didn't plus V1, didn't plus V1, not she didn't play, they didn't play, didn't plus V1 we use. That is in the negative uses and positive uses. It's most important. Don't forget. And as usual, interrogation. How to ask questions? We ask questions in present tense. Do you go to temple? Yes, I go to temple. No, I don't go to temple. Do you? Do place action word. We use yes or no answer questions asking. We use do in present tense. And did in the past tense. We use did in the past tense. Did you? Here, did you plus V1? Did you plus V1? Yes. Did you plus V1? Did you go to temple yesterday? The question has two answers. If you go to temple, yes, I went to temple yesterday. No, I didn't go to temple yesterday. Either negative or positive. This question has two answers. Either negative or positive. Yes, I plus V2. Yes, I plus V2. Yes, I went to. Did you eat breakfast yesterday? Yes, I ate breakfast. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't plus V1. No, I didn't plus V1. No, I didn't plus V1. Of course, we don't use all time the subject as you. Sometimes we use did they. Not always using you. Did they go to movie yesterday? Did they do their homework yesterday? So like that also. Yes. Here, for example, if we use he, she as the case, did he or did she? Did he drive a car? Did he plus V1? Did he drive a car? Yes. He plus V2. For example, did he drive a car? We use action word as drive. Did he drive a car? What is the answer? He, yes, he drove a car. V2, drive, drove, driven. Drives, driving. Yes, he drove a car. No, no, he didn't plus V1, didn't drive a car. Didn't drive a car. In negative, we use V1. In positive answer, we use V2. This is in the past tense. Of course, if it is present tense, how can you ask? Does, we use does. Does he drive a car? Yes, he does. Yes, he drives a car. Or yes, he does. Does she? Does she cook well? Like that in present tense. Here in the past tense we use are he or she the same way. We use the action word. Here did plus V1. Did plus actually here did plus go equal to went. Did plus go went. Did you go to temple? Yes, I went to temple. While you are asking question, first use did. In the answer, there is no did. Did plus go, it changes to went. We use past tense action word. Have you understood? It's most important. And these are very important and very easy. Next, asking. Did you drive a car? Before did you drive a car, if you add what did you drive? Did you eat breakfast? Before add did what did you eat? V1, what did you plus V1? What did you eat? What did you plus V1? Have you understood? Did you get clarity? Once watch. Here, once close it. Did you plus V1? Did you plus V1? The difference is, here in the did, we use the starting capital letter. Here in the did, we use small letter. Did. Because it's not the starting letter. Before this, we add what? What did? What did we? Or where did? Where did they? Plus B1. Where did they play? Where did they play? When did we eat? When did we eat? Or any other? B1. How did you? Or how did you play? How did you play? Why? Why did they? Plus B1. And use also she or he. What did she? Plus B1. What did she cook? Yesterday, she cooked mutton curry. She cooked biryani. It's like. Where did she watch? Where did she watch movie? Where did she watch movie? Last night. She watched a movie in a theater last night. She watched a movie. Like, where did and why did he eat that fruit? Why did he swallow the tablet? He swallowed the tablet to be cured his fever. Why did he? Plus B1. When did he? Plus B1. This is all. Once watch it clearly and closely. From this table, how to write conversations, how to ask questions. Get practice, each and every one. Without practicing, you won't be launched. With practice, you can. In your brain, there is a lot of memory, and whose space is there? Once use the memory and space, get some more conversations from this table. Generally, if you want to conversate anything, if you share any topics, if you have anybody is nearby us or with us, friends, with our family members, sibling, we share, we conversate one another. Sometimes nobody is there around us. We speak with us. We speak with us. You speak with you. You speak with you. Insert in your brain a director, a leader, some group of friends. I insert my brain. In my brain, I have some group of friends in my brain. I speak myself. Sometimes I ask questions. I get answer from my brain, from my leader or my ruler. So like, or else, if you want to speak in English, take a phone call to your father's uncle or brother, cousin, whoever from your house, the farthest ones, or they are doing job. So speak in English. It's very interesting while you are communicate with them in English. But while you are communicate with anyone, not always we are speaking completely in the past tense. Not always we are interacting in the present tense, future tense like. Sometimes we may use present topics, past topics, future topics. So all are mixing topics. We try to speak out. Okay. Here, how to ask questions? First, did you? It's a conversation. The person A comes ask, did you go to temple? Did you go to temple? B says yes, I went to temple. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I went to temple. B has two answers. No, I didn't go to temple. Here in the question, once observe, did you go to temple? Did go, it is the action word, did go. Did past tense, do, did. Here in the positive answer, yes, I went. Did go changes to went. I went to temple. Negative, no, I did not go to temple. First, how to ask question, then how to respond answers. Sometimes you ask questions yourself and you respond to your question, answer also. You are the respondent, you are the questioner. Both actions are done by you. No, I don't. Or else ask in your family members or ask your farthest one friends. Or the second one, second conversation. Did your father buy sweets yesterday? Did your father buy sweets yesterday? Did your father? Actually, in the present tense, how do you ask? Does your father buy sweets? Does your father buy sweets? Here, did your father buy sweets? Yes. Answer yes. My father. What is the past tense of buy? Bought. My father bought sweets yesterday. No. My father. There are two answers. The positive and the negative or positive. No, my father didn't buy sweets. Didn't buy sweets. It's most important. Didn't we use buy. Father bought sweets. Here in the past tense we use. Here didn't we use only V1. It's very important. Did you clear? Have you understood? Okay. And what did you buy the father yesterday? What did you? Did your father buy sweets yesterday? Or else, how do you ask another question? What did you buy your father yesterday? What did you buy your mother, your uncle? What did Your mother. What did your mother cook yesterday? Cook yesterday or last Sunday? What did your mother cook last Sunday? Last Sunday, my mother cooked biryani. What did your mother cook yesterday? Yesterday, my mother cooked biryani yesterday. My mother cooked biryani yesterday. Here, WH questions have only one answer, not either positive or negative answers. What did, where did you go? I went to Rajahmundry. There are no negative or positive. Did you go to Rajahmundry the morning? Yes, I went to Rajahmundry. No, I didn't go to Rajahmundry the morning. So like, so practice and write some more questions. You will try. How do you try? First take. Actually, if you take one action word, write all the sentences from all the subjects. Actually here, did you go to temple? Did you go to temple? Did we go to temple? Did they go to temple? Did he go to temple? Did she go to temple? Did it? A temple or any place? We use go. Next, buy. What did your father buy? Where did your father buy? A car. When did your father buy a car? My father bought a car 2 years back. Like, why did your father buy books to you? My father bought books for me for writing. Or how did your mother cook? So like, ask questions and write answers. This is the 1, 2, 3 conversations I wrote here. 3 conversations. You will try more than 100 and 200 conversations. Very simple. The past tense is very simple. But practice is most important. Don't stop practicing. At least try to speak. Either it is necessary or not. Try to speak out with your family members, with your friends. Whatever you speak, you must speak in English. Nowadays, compulsory Telugu fasting. Telugu fasting means you don't speak Telugu. Speak always in English. You enjoy a lot. Try to speak. Either it is right or wrong. It's blunder English. Whatever it may be. If you don't know the words completely using in English, use a little bit Telugu words also, no problem. Gradually, you may correct all those. And also guys, know the pronunciation and also vocabulary meanings of the words. For example, whatever you watch, that item pronounced in English. First, move to your kitchen. Observe in your kitchen. Pronounce all those in the kitchen items in English. Know their names in English. What they pronounce in English. Some vegetables, ginger, potatoes, onions, drumsticks, slide. Pronounce all the vegetables which are daily in your kitchen. And pronounce the words names, the items names in English, which are the pulses, or ginger, cumin seed, dry ginger, cloves, cardamom, slime, coriander. If you don't know that meaning, immediately go to the dictionary and watch and get it meaning. Write on your vocabulary notebook. On that way, you will get some more knowledge and you will know some more words, vocabulary also. Then you can easily speak out. Know the structure and use, practice well. Okay? We'll meet tomorrow. Another structure. Get practice well. All the best.